Eating that mac and cheese off. It's burnt ends, so tender, it just melts in your mouth. I ain't never in my life tasted nothing this tender. Never.
No, what is it?
It's called burnt ends to brisket.
That's
Go ahead. I'll record you.
Can you cut that piece in half?
Right now, fork. That's tender. You don't even need to eat that. You like it or no?
Yep.
You don't even need teeth to eat that. I get my gums. See this? You don't need teeth. You can just eat it. You can just suck this.
Okay, what am I trying next?
Good. Brisket? That's brisket too, I think. No, that's pulled pork. This is. That's brisket. This pulled pork. Hey now. She ate another one, guys. I'm gonna eat another one of my burnt ends. I'm getting greedy. I'll try you some of that pulled pork.
Where am I at, Wendy?